Okay, so today is my PA of the day. I had a trade. I have not a good trade. Was a very bad habit that I have. Um, so at first I actually really want to buy this, but at the same time I really hesitant to buy this the same way because the buyer have tried once over here, and then it dropped all the way down. And well, the buyer right here is like kind of interesting, but then let the seller try again, and the buyer came really strong right here. So for this one, I tell myself like, don't get in too early. Not for now. Yeah, let them come, see how it go. Um, I feel that there's two personality that I have. Like, I'm brave enough to learn a mistake, but another mistake that I have that is really bad habit is to get in very early. So I know there's one discipline and there's one conservative. So there was two battering in my head from there. So I'm trying to learn what can I do better right now. But now I'm going to talk about what did I do wrong. The bad habit of getting in very early, even though the buyer came very strong, ready to move over there. Though I really didn't really scan as much as possible, then didn't see this part until now. Um, Now I'm learning is to avoid this mistake. I should not say trading. Maybe I just carefully more more carefully before I place my trade. Read the whole story first. If the trade is going, and just let it be. I That one thing I had to let go from it. If the trade's going and that's it, who cared about it? Like the trade had to go. But the only thing the thing don't care about it, just let them try again. Let the seller try again before you get in, and then you judge from there. Or that day you're like you can't get in, it's fine. Um okay, then all these all this I'm actually really hesitant to not go in because there was two parties of fighting right now, and this one just broke out, and then the seller came down. So the meaning of it, the seller comes strong in the beginning, which is I gotta use my hand gesture. So meaning of it is to wait, let the buyer to digest everything. And though is want to buy, but the buy is not ready. So digest everything, and then let the seller, let me draw again, try again. So that would be the best bet, and then you go trade from there. So this is what the seller came in, and now the buyer's coming in. So yeah, that was one thing I should keep in mind ahead. Although I meditate and do all that, but then the trade that I did, like 4 trade, it was not. I, the 4 trade, the reason I also laugh about it because I was fired up enough, and then I realized that that's not the right way to do it. And I was hitting a lot bigger lots from it, like again and again. Even though I know it's buy, but then at the same time, you still have to digest all the seller first. Okay, then from that, now let's talk about my entry. Very simple. I'm just go straight forward. I use this one with the buyer came in, and then I wasn't really pay attention to all the left And that's why in the beginning I said, damn, I got it too early, and it's not good habits, and that's how it caused me everything from here. Able to manage to break even, but with all this trade, imagine I have real money and I had to spend a lot of commission with it, and don't do that, Victor. Don't do that. You know, unless your stop loss is very tight of it, and do that. Um, you're not in that level yet. Not in this level, so don't do it. Don't do it. It's a very bad habit. But you're right. You have to be curious how you do this trade, even when you lost. But when you lost, you gotta feel that lose is a lose. Let it go. You know. But still brave enough to break even. But come on, I truthfully imagine you could lost a lot of money if the psychology kicked your mind, and yeah, got delete the habits. No more these habits. So when the buyer come in, let the seller try. Let the seller try, and the seller try, and the seller try, let the seller try. You see, this move right here, right here, are very strong compared to this move right here, right here, right here. Yeah, like if they try like this, they try like this, and then try like that. Even though you have this area, it's interesting, but at the same time, you should wait, and that's it. What else I need to improve? Okay, the other thing to able to improve, there's no trade, man. This is the when you look at this, this is not ready yet, and the buyer had to digest everything from here. See this? See how it goes? Man, tomorrow, maybe the seller's gonna knock it down again. No, so at this point, really stand by. Stand by. What the 1 hour gonna give, what the daily is gonna give. So at this point, it's tough. Like this one went up, and this now buyer come in and kill this one. I get it. They go into the lowest of the lowest. If you want to buy this, you must have to let the seller try one more time, or the formal move right here, and go back here and go to this area and see how they react from here. Let the buyer come in. I'll like seller try, and then let them try again, and see how it goes from there. And then when they pop, okay, cool, they receive it. Once they receive, you could do something around here or around this area to maximum here. The trade right here is no go. Yeah. Okay, since it's done to explain, now let's go to this area. So around this area, it was holding it. This to here, this to here. I think one thing that I learned, yeah, read and tell this, like, don't go here, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. okay, this one's good. See how this one go here to here? When it break, you could buy from here. That is more safer than everything. Well, I get it. It's just after market, and then the market just go up. It's funny, but that's okay. As long as you know when the seller come, it means need more time because you let the buyer digest that before you do anything. Now they finish digesting that part, and when that zone, and for the morning, they see what they can do. If the seller cannot do anything, then jump in. But before you jump in, the buyer come in, prepare. So that's all. But then this is you can't even trade from there. Yeah. That is no go. No go. Alright, this is my PA of the day, and that's why I want to improve.